Hello viewers, hope you all doing good, and this is the second video from Learn All About S4HANA. Yes, in this video we're going to talk about S4HANA, and let's start with the full form. SAP Business Suite for HANA and High Performance Analytic Appliance for HANA. So this SAP S4HANA is the latest generation of ERP system developed by SAP that runs on the SAP HANA in-memory database. So in-memory means all the data stored in a main memory, that means the RAM. So we'll talk about more about this in-memory detail in upcoming slides. So evolution means it is the next generation ERP system after ERP central component, but means ECC in short, and was officially released in 2015. And if you want to know more about this evolution of SAP and ERP, please go watch our first introduction video. Next, we'll concentrate on advantages of S4HANA. The first is real-time analytics and insights. So the real-time data processing is done, simplified data model, embedded analytics. As S4HANA processes data in memory, which provides the instant data access, and we can make an analytics and reporting in real time. We can take a faster decision making with this data processing. So simplified data model means it eliminates the redundant of data and tables are all aggregated, which leads to a small data footprints. That means the unnecessary tables or redundant of data like repeater of data are eliminated to make it as a smaller data footprints. So from this we can reduce the complexity and we can create a more efficient reports. Embedded analytics, where it is an inbuilt real-time reporting and analyzing capability which has inside S4HANA, where we can take the data directly from the transaction tables. If you are an ABAPer, you can use the transaction codes to get all these transaction tables. It uses the same HANA in memory database, so there will be no duplication of data or delays will not done. So next is the IT and cost. It's reduced the IT landscapes because it has a smaller data footprint. So the IT landscape is got reduced. Lower total cost of ownerships, where the middleware software contributions are eliminated to lower overall hardware, software, the maintenance cost all are reduced. So flexible deployment, where the business can choose from on-premise, cloud or hybrid deployment model to fit their landscape needs and infrastructure, offering agility and scalable solutions can be done. The third one is a user experience and efficiency, where the user experience or like modern, intuitive, the personalized experience for users across. They can work on all devices. It has a improving navigation and the task efficiency is very easy. The last is the innovation and integration. Integration with advanced technologies, where the modern technologies like AI or robotic process automations or automatic repetitive tasks all can be adopted easily. It has a seamless integrations. Next we'll talk about this core module in S4HANA. The first thing is finance, where it integrates with treasury, cash flow, and fiscal control. This combined module handles like financial accounting, like general ledger, accounts payable and receivables, offering a real-time financial data and integrated planning is done in this module. Next is the sales and distribution, where the manages the customer interaction, order processing, shipping, and the billing details are all streamlined in the sales process. When we talk about the materials management, it covers the purchasing, inventory, and warehousing details, ensuring that materials are available when needed for production and sales. Next is the customer relationship management. It manage customer relationship and supports with functions and processes in the areas of. Next is the production planning, where it integrates with quality management. In this module, the focus is on planning and managing the entire manufacturing process, from the capacity planning to the production order management. So next is the supply chain management, the streamlined supplier and relationship and procurement is all manages in this module. The supply chain provides end-to-end visibility and controls overall entire supply chain process. That means from planning to execution and logistics all managed in this. So the last one is the human capital management, where this module manages the data about the payroll, time management, talent management, personal management. Everything is done in this module. Next is the deployment option in S4 HANA. So the first one is on premise, where all the data are stored in the customer managed systems. If we go with the cloud, uh, it is managed by SAP. And the third option is the combination of on premise and the cloud, mix of both the premises. So the on-premise is the company own and manage the data center, servers, and the entire system landscapes. All is done in their own premise. So when we go for a cloud deployment, the SAP hosts the solution in a shared environment. That means it delivered over the internet with regular updates and automatic innovation is done. So if we talk about the advantages of the on-premises, we have a control over our data and system infrastructure. The customization is highly specific to fit the complex processes. The cost is required significant upfront investment in hardware and ongoing cost for maintenance. The cost is high when we go on-premise. Mostly, this on premise deployment is done by larger organizations where they need for deep customizations and the data are kept controlled and the environment is kept so tight. When we go with the cloud, the benefits of the cloud, it's a scalability and efficiency where it reduces the burden of IT management and all the infrastructures are managed by SAP itself. It is like a subscription based, where often uses subscription based licensing model is a cloud. So this cloud deployment is best for small and medium sized businesses and those prioritizing the agility and cost efficiency with less need of for deep customization, that organizations can go with the cloud. So the hybrid means the mix of combination of on-premise and cloud solutions, allowing the organizations to keep some critical data or workloads on-premise while other leveraging data are kept cloud-based. The flexibility is best of both worlds, allowing for a phased approach in cloud migration. The organizations with critical on-premise system that need to integrate with modern cloud-based innovations or those undergoing a gradual transitions to the cloud. So on upcoming videos, we going to talk about SAP ECC and SAP S4 HANA. What is the difference? Why we are transferring from SAP ECC to S4 HANA. We'll talk more about this in the upcoming videos. So, if these videos are useful for you and if you think that useful for someone else, do share it. And thank you for watching this video.